Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, so we met again uh, through online Zoom for this meeting 7 of the third part of verb, that is past perfect continuous tense, and two-word verbs, right? So the first text is the most important thing. Did you do the same thing? Like number 1, Roger thought he was all prepared for his dinner party last night. Okay. What is this? The sentence of this. What is the tenses of the sentence?
Simple
Roger
past tense.
thought
Past
simple
perfect.
past sama
Are you sure?
Simple
Oh, past
past.
perfect.
simple
Simple
past.
past, ma'am.
Simple past, right? So, and then number 2, the sentence number 2. He had sent invitation to his boss and all the people at the office.
Past perfect tense.
Past perfect
So
tense.
in here you can get the past perfect tense with had plus verb 3, right?
Yeah, perfect.
Right.
Okay. Now let's see the third sentence. He had looked through several cookbooks
Past perfect.
Past perfect
Past
tense.
and had found some very interesting recipes. And had found and had looked, right?
Yes.
Okay, and now we are going to the he had even gone all the way downtown to buy important fruit, vegetables, and cheese, which he needed for his dinner. He had even gone, still past
Past
perfect
tense.
Perfect tense.
Okay, next. However, as soon as Roger's doorbell rang, what is the sentence? The tense is
Past tense.
past tense. And
Simple past
he
tense.
says,
Simple.
right, so simple past tense. He realized
Simple
simple
past
past
tense.
Past tense.
that he had forgotten
Past perfect.
Past
Past
to
perfect.
put the
perfect
food in
tense.
the oven. Okay, past perfect. And then Roger felt very foolish.
Simple past.
Simple
Simple
past.
past. He couldn't believe what he had done. Simple past. Can you see that?
Past perfect.
Couldn't.
Simple past dan past perfect.
Past perfect tense. And then he thought he was all prepared for his dinner party, but he had forgotten to do the most important things. Alright? So can you differentiate which one is simple past tense and past perfect tense?
Yes, I can.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Okay. So what is the difference between present perfect tense with the past perfect tense?
Present perfect use have usually, and perfect past usually using had.
Number 3.
Present
And verb
present
three.
past perfect using had plus verb
Verb
3.
Verb 3.
Okay. So whenever you see the sentence or the text right now, you can differentiate the tenses, right? You have to.
Yes.
Which one is simple present, which one is simple past, which one is past perfect. You have to be able to differentiate that tenses right away after you look at the text, right?
Right.
Okay, now let's go to the second text. But what about your answer? Whether is it correct? Was it correct?
Correct,
Had sent,
ma'am.
had looked, had even gone, and had found. Okay, so all of you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
All
8.
correct. 8. Which one is the other one?
Yang tadi yang Seza yang was all prepared-nya juga di
Oh, okay. Was all prepared is supposed to be simple past tense, right? All right. Now we are going to the second text. Nobody was surprised. So, take a look at that. Cesar, can you analyze this sentence? The first sentence? Yeah? Okay, try that.
When Rina won the marathon last
Mm-hmm.
week, itu terus
Mm-hmm.
terus he had been early to past perfect continuous
All right.
and jogging every morning.
Mm-hmm.
She had been eating juga past perfect continuous.
Okay.
Terus he had been swimming juga past perfect.
Mm-hmm.
Terus
Past perfect or past
she
perfect
really
continuous?
past perfect continuous.
All right. Okay. Go on.
Rina really deserve simple past.
All right.
And then last one, she had been preparing past perfect continuous.
Okay.
Terus nobody was surprised, simple past.
What about the previous one? And they got fire.
Simple
Andy got
past.
fire, simple past.
All right.
Oh,
Good.
yeah.
Good. Then go on.
Terus he had been coming to work and going home early, itu past perfect continuous.
Mm-hmm.
Terus he had been insulted, past continuous. He
had
had
been-
been having arguments, past perfect continuous.
Mm-hmm.
Andy really deserve simple past. Terus terakhir, after all, he had been asking past
For
perfect
it.
continuous.
Okay. So that's very good. What about the rest of the student? How many words or verb that you find out correct based on your job? We have how many here, Cesar? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Does everyone got 10?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Nurliana, how many that you got correct?
9, ma'am. Ada
9.
yang lupa ini, ma'am.
So which one? Which one that you forgot?
Bagian akhir, ma'am.
He had been
He had been.
asking. So okay. So now you can see that for the past perfect continuous tense, you use had plus been plus verb ing. Right? Different from past perfect tense, had verb 3. Right? So now can you see the clear line between present perfect, past perfect continuous, and present perfect continuous?
Of course.
Yes?
Of course, ma'am.
You're supposed to be able to, because for present perfect you use has and have and verb 3. Past continuous, a present perfect continuous, you should use
Have.
has
Has.
plus been
Plus verb ing.
Verb
verb ing. So it's just a matter of changing have and had, right? So like going backwards to from have to had. To had, right? When you go move backwards, present mundur ke belakang menjadi have, tadi have dan has menjadi had, right?
Had.
Okay, so can you figure out in your head that when you use present perfect, it's for the position is here, present perfect, and then present perfect continuous tense, and then on your back is past perfect tense, and then past perfect continuous tense.
Yes.
Okay? Alright.
Earlier time in the past, ma'am.
Yeah, so all sentences happen in the present and in the past. So, okay, you should be clear with that. It's just a matter of where do you stand. You stand here right now. For simple present, you stand here, and then past tense, you move backwards, and then and again, and continuous also as well, similar. All right. All of you need to be clear with that. So whenever you see any sentence, you can check whether what tenses of this sentence is. Ya, udah harus bisa. Ketemu tenses manapun, you know what tenses it is, right? Now let's go to the third one. Oh, we got 4. A busy Saturday. So we are going to 2-word verb, right? 2-word verb with, let's Let's see number 1. Everybody at the Melvin family is going to be very busy today. It's Saturday and they all have to do the things they didn't do during the week. Belum ada ya? Next, Mr. Melvin has to wash the car. After lunch, he has to fill out his income tax. Jadi ada fill out ya. Sudah kalian kerjakan itu? Yang two word verb?
Udah, ma'am.
Ya,
Tapi
fill
setelah garis bawahinya dari has.
Okay, now we are going to look at the two word verb. Fill out. Karena two word verb ini ada yang separable dan ada yang inseparable. Separable one is fill out. Inseparable one, fill out. And then this second sentence, third paragraph in here. Mrs. Melvin is cooking. What is the tenses?
Simple present continuous tense.
Present continuous tense. Okay. After lunch, she has to pick up. So this one, pick up clothes at the cleaners. She was too busy to pick them up. See, the word pick up can use both. It can be separable and also can be inseparable. So, ada 3 macam kata yang bisa two word verb ini. Ada yang separable, ada yang nggak bisa separable, ada yang kiri kanan, kiri kanan, okay? Separable jadi, nggak separable juga jadi, ya? So, paham itu? Right. Let's see this one, pick up, and then she was too busy to pick them up during the week. So, pick them up. Ada pronoun in between of them, right? Pick them up, pick up. Jadi boleh dua-duanya. Okay. Ada lagi throw out dan threw them out. Sini. Nah, ini their daughter Anna is feeding the dog. Itu tensesnya apa?
Present continuous.
Present continuous. Okay. Take her library books back. Take her library books back. Take back kan?
Take back, oh ya.
Yeah, take back. Yeah, she forgot to take them back. Them refer to her library books. And then di sini lagi, after that he has to put
away.
Put away. So put away is separable. This one is also separable. Bisa separable, bisa inseparable. Okay, like this one, the last one. Andy and his little sister Anna don't get along. Get along? Apa maknanya get along?
Bersama-sama.
Andy and his little sister Anna don't get along with each other very well. Enggak terlalu akur ya. Akur, get along well, itu akur. Kan suka ya, brother and sister itu fighting selalu. Nah, tapi kalau jauh ribut, mau ketemu. Nah, in fact, they constantly fight. He picks on her. See? Picks on. Pick on. No, ini yang inseparable. Kemudian ada lagi pick on him. Ya, pick on her and pick on him. Terus ada lagi yang terakhir get along. So, get along dengan pick on is the example of the word that is inseparable. Ya? Okay? Go ke sini. Jadi ini tadi bagian B. Coba cek jawaban kalian. Is it correct? Ada pick up, ada throw out, ada take out, ada put away, ada take back juga, ada fill out, pick up, throw out, and get along, and pick on. Yeah. Then we go to this, analyzing the sentence based on the word classification. Lihat example 1. He had been insulting customer frequently. Melvin has to fill out his income tax, ya. Tipenya had been insulting itu adalah auxiliary verb had been plus ada auxiliary verbnya adalah to have, ya. Itu namanya had been, itu masih bagian dari to have. Kan ada to be, to have, ya. And fill out two word verb. Fill out dalam bentuk di sini changing formnya kalau dari present dia menjadi fill pakai ed out. Jadi past two word verb. Nah, tensesnya apa itu tadi yang ini? Past perfect continuous tense. And two word verb in simple present tense. Yang untuk ini ya. Ini adalah past perfect continuous tense. Ini present
Two word.
present tense, ya. Tetapi kalau dia berubah jadi past, makanya fill out, gitu ya. Nah, lihat lagi di sini ada lagi. He had sent invitation to his boss and all people at the office. Tipenya had plus verb 3, ya. Changing formnya menjadi send out. Oh, sorry, ininya. Two word verbnya send out. Kemudian ada tensesnya past perfect tense. Untuk yang mana? Ini kan? Past perfect tense. Okay. I hope it's clearer for you. This one also. Number 4. Itu ambilnya dari teks tadi ya, yang kalian punya tadi. He had forgotten to do the most important thing. So had plus verb 3. Apa verb 3-nya? Forgotten. Apakah masih bisa lagi move backward to changing form? No, right? Sudah mentok. Kan sudah past. Simple present, continuous, past, past continuous. See. So di sini dia had forgotten, jadi past perfect tense. Sudah nggak bisa mundur lagi. Ya. Now let's see. He had ever gone all the cookbook. Sama dengan ini ya. Betul? Tensesnya adalah past perfect tense. Verbnya adalah going out. Go out. Tadi ada juga di situ ya. Oke. Nah, ini yang story that you need to make yourself. Ada yang sudah buat?
Baru nak mulai tadi.
Baru nak mulai buat. Satu saja coba kerjakan dulu yang ini. Story 1 by using verb ing. Silakan. Nanti kita bahas sekilas. Nah, nanti akan ada meeting yang kita akan talking about all the verb. Ulang lagi dari awal kemarin. Next week itu akan ada next meetingnya itu akan ada tentang auxiliary verb. Ya, auxiliary verb dia juga sendiri perlu dibahas juga supaya betul-betul clear di kalian apa dia, ya. Oke, silakan. Akan kalau ada tadi yang sudah jadi itu akan lebih baik. Tapi karena tidak ada, that's okay. I give you like let's say 5 minutes to make short sentence for that. Short paragraph. Ing-nya itu yang pakai itu ya, past perfect continuous. Tahan. Ada yang udah selesai? 3 to like 5 or 6 sentences is enough. Agisti, are you here? Agisti Karisa, are you here? Yes, okay. I'm gonna check. Monica Pradesta, are you here?
No, ma'am.
Monica Pradesta, mana dia? Okay. Mia?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Harus ada ininya ya, subjeknya ya. Jadi Monday morning dia mandi dan beli a lot of stuff at the grocery. I feel very busy because I realized that I have a lot of stuff at all. Sudah masih banyak. Itu bukan accident itu. It will never happen again. Pakai it saja yang anonymous ya. That it will never happen. It will never happen again. Okay, very good. Ananta, ada satu lagi yang mau share?
Reza, ma'am?
Oke, yang lain ada kan? Ya. Yang ke satu. Oke, go on. Yang lain mesti bisa menggunakan tenses itu. Wah, ada yang potong rambut ya. Iqmal. Oke, go on, Seza. Okay. I bought a new jogging shoes on digital platform market Shopee last night. Okay. Anak online ya, anak Shopee. I had looked several models and I had found the cute one. But when my shoes had come, I felt so unhappy. Oh, panjangnya. Yeah. I have looked several models and I had found the cute one. Terus? Yeah. But when my
Titiknya
shoes,
di situ, ma'am.
titiklah dulu ya, find the cute one.
Titik aja. Titik. Batnya dihapus kan, ma'am?
Yep. When my shoes had come, I felt so unhappy because it's out of my expectation. Okay, unhappy. Felt berarti past ya. Ini yang past tense ya. Okay. The materials of the shoes is materialsnya banyak loh. Is atau are atau tunggal saja. The materials of the shoes are so bad and the size didn't fit me. Nggak pakai to. I had been trying to contact the seller, but there was no response. There was no response itu past tense ya. I'm give up. I'm give up atau I'm giving up. Kenapa I'm give up? I'm give up itu double verb, dua verbnya. Harus satu saja, ya kan? Kalau dia
sudah pakai itu juga tadi kan, ma'am? Pakai
ya,
M.
ya. I'm giving up ya. Atau kalau nggak tuh I gave up.
I give up.
Okay.
Nyerah.
Okay, very good. So, ada lagi mau share? Mesti bisa ya. Ini tensi sudah tuntas. Nah, harus bisa membuat kalimat, harus bisa menganalisis kalimat bila membaca novel. Oh, ini kalimatnya ini. Atau membaca teks apapun Anda bisa. Anda tahu pembelajaran grammar ini akan membantu Anda dalam pelajaran paragraph writing. Ya kan? Benar? Ada paragraph writing?
Benar, ma'am. Sangat benar.
Jadi kalau fondasi Anda kuat dengan grammar ini, tensi segala macam udah kuat, maka writing Anda nanti bisa bagus dan terus diasah ya. Kalau tidak tuntas yang ini, Anda tidak tuntas. Kalau orang punya 100%, Anda cuma punya 50%, Anda masih punya utang 50% tidak tuntas. Dan itu yang 50% itu, kalau Anda tidak penuhi, itu akan terus mengganggu yang lainnya nanti. Paham maksud saya? Anda harus pahami semuanya. Kalau belum paham, harus paham untuk term semester ini supaya mata kuliah selanjutnya tidak terganggu. Pasti mata kuliah ini bermanfaat untuk paragraph writing, mau yang lain, karena grammar itu akan ada di semua skill. Mau di listening, di speaking, di reading, ada semua kan? Nah, gitu ya. Apakah Anda saat ini sudah mulai seperti itu? Ketika baca kalimat atau paragraf, langsung menganalisis?
Biasanya musik, mem, lagu.
Musik atau lagu? Oh ya boleh, lagu atau musik boleh. Jadi langsung tahu kan kalimatnya. Tapi kalau untuk lagu mungkin ada kalimat yang agak-agak slang gitu ya, nggak masalah. Tapi biasanya kalau Anda sudah paham tenses ini dan bagian-bagian ini nanti, Anda akan langsung automatically ketemu sentence, oh itu langsung, oh itu noun, itu verb, ini verbnya ini, tensesnya ini, kayak gitu. Jadi itu yang harapannya ya. Oke? So, let's see, hari ini itu yang dipelajari adalah mana tadi? Tab. Mana tadi ya? Nah, di sini. Nah, di sini lihat ya. Nah, kelihatan yang tadi yang kita pelajari adalah past perfect tadi sudah ya, past perfect sudah berlalu. Kemudian sini ada past perfect continuous tense. Dan past perfect continuous tense is used for an action that had been going on in the past. Dia sedang berlanjut tapi di masa lalu sebelum another action occurred in the past. Sebelum satu action lagi muncul in the past. Semuanya in the past tapi satu sedang berlangsung, satu muncul. Nah, I cook gitu ya. Bisa nggak tuh? Coba, dia bisa nggak? It use auxiliary verb had been. Tadi ada kok di kalimatnya itu ya. Nah,
I had been cooked when
I had been cooking
I had been cooking
when the bells rang, misalnya kayak gitu ya. Ya, yang kayak gitu ya. Itu namanya past perfect continuous. Nanti ada juga past yang bersamaan terjadi. Nah, kemudian ada two word verb, words in a group or more than one that can be treated as single verb. Dia sebagai satu kata. Pick up, jemput. Ya. Ada kata, pernah nggak dengar lagu Run Into You? Nah, nanti cari ya. Run into you. Run into? Apa artinya run into? Berlari ke dalam? Bukan. Bertemu tanpa sengaja. Jadi ada dua kata, dua words yang menjadi satu makna, maknanya, dan dia itu menjadi kata kerja. Ada run into you, saya bertemu kamu tidak sengaja gitu. Jadi bukan berlari ke kamu. Saya hati-hati ya. Jadi word verb itu two word verb itu maknanya berbeda. Ya. Bentar. Let's say. Kalian masuk lagi nih. Mau masuk lagi sama Bu Yesi kan ya? Online juga seperti ini atau di e-learning?
Yes, ma'am. Iya, kayaknya hari ini UTS.
Oh, UTS. Deg-deg. Iyalah, kalau begitu untuk UTS nanti kalian dengar saja kapan UTS-nya. Apakah next week? Tapi kalau next week juga please be ready, ya. Okay. So, I think that's all for today untuk yang bagian past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense, dan two word verb. Next, kalian juga yang belum sepenuhnya paham hari ini itu harus tetap melanjutkannya. Misalnya sudah selesai ujian itu, nanti bayar utangnya. Mungkin pemahamannya baru 75%, dibayar utangnya 25% lagi supaya jadi full ya. Pemain game tuh tenaganya sih harus dipulkan. Kalau habis tenaganya nggak bisa nyerang ya. Oke? Baik, so that's all for today. I see you again in the next meeting. Bye-bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam. Thank you, ma'am.
Yoi.
Gimana?
Yuhu.